So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a CSS speech bubble with a pointer. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for CSS-trick slash the shape of CSS slash. Be very precise with the URL. If you type it wrong, you won't be able to reach this site. Now just simply go over there and let's just wait for it to respond. Now here you're gonna see when you scroll down, you're gonna find multiple shapes, and here you can see something like text bubble shape right there that you can directly copy and use it. And even if you want a arrowhead as well, you can directly get those from here. You can see you're gonna find direct code for the shapes that you want, and you can directly use them on your code. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.